The latest now on the coronavirus emergency. This morning, the number of cases worldwide is topping 93,000. Meanwhile, here in the U.S., there are now at least 108 cases, and the death toll has climbed to 9 people. Whit Johnson has the very latest.
This morning, a massive effort to disinfect New York's public transportation system following the state's second confirmed patient with coronavirus, a case of suspected community spread. Officials calling the man in his 50s a regular commuter who took the train from Westchester County to Grand Central Station. The man who had a previous respiratory illness, now hospitalized in serious condition.
We're very concerned because of what appears to be previous respiratory condition, which creates more danger.
His family also under quarantine. 2 schools linked to one of his sons closed, and services at his synagogue canceled for the foreseeable future. This as COVID-19 continues to spread, with more than 100 cases across the country, at least 15 states affected. The death toll jumping to 9, all of those in Washington state. Most of the victims, vulnerable elderly patients at this nursing home.
They're not answering the phones, the lines are busy. All the families are really worried, not knowing if our loved ones are even alive, if they have the virus.
And we're learning a dozen firefighters and police officers who help patients at that Kirkland Life Care facility are now showing flu-like symptoms. Officials saying all have been put in isolation due to their potential exposure to the virus. In Seattle, retail giant Amazon confirming one of its employees tested positive with coronavirus. A spokesperson telling ABC News that employee is now in quarantine. Alaska Airlines washing and scrubbing planes amid growing concerns about safe travel in the outbreak. American college student Chloe Froning on her way home from Italy.
The guy asked me if I had been to Iran or China in the last 2 weeks. Interestingly, not Italy.
But on Tuesday, a glimmer of hope. More than 120 evacuees from the Diamond Princess cruise ship released from quarantine, symptom-free for a full 14 days.
The head of the World Health Organization now says the global mortality rate of this new coronavirus is 3.4%. That's deadlier than the flu. Guys.
Okay, Whit, thanks very much.